Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be hooking up the sway bar real quick today. Been going through and found some other stuff for a car I used to have. This was stuff I was talking about. I was gonna go on Tyler's little car, which will be Nora's. I ain't gonna use it. And check the sway bar out. I got it done, a little bit of it done. I got it mounted just like that, so I can kind of see where I went ahead and tacked up that one mount. I want to make sure I got it adjusted just right. I think I'm gonna have to set it on the ground to really, that way I can compress the suspension to get the everything to sit where it's supposed to sit before I actually weld it on. Because I'm not real sure exactly. I just kind of measured my old one and then my brother's over there, and then kind of guessed on that other one. I mean, it's okay right now. I guess that's how you do it. This is my first time doing it, so here we go. So upon further investigation, I'm gonna have to wait till I get the tires off my brother's car to put on here to drop it on the ground to put the weight on there. That way the springs will compress more and hopefully just weigh the cars. And I mean, it ain't gonna be enough anyways, but I'm gonna need some help. I'll have my brother come help me. And but I'm thinking, if you know, once the suspension compresses, this right here, it'll just pivot up, because this will just, you know, this way, that'll go like that. So I'm thinking I can go ahead and tack that up right there. I think we'll be okay, because and it's pretty in line with the other one over there. What do you say? I think that'll work. I think, because I ain't gonna go forward anymore right there. So I got the links set. They're not tighter than that, obviously, but I think I can. I think I can go and tack that on. Here we go. I guess we'll give it a shot. I don't know. Looks pretty good to me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna roll with it. It does look fucking good. That red matching them control arms actually matches the car pretty good. I didn't think it matched the car this good, but with them turbos, I think it's gonna be just the right amount of red. And I got some good ideas coming up for the motor. You know, like I said, kind of intertwine some mental health awareness in this car, and that's what I want to do. So I'm not going to let too many secrets out on it, but this engine's going to be badass. So, alright, let's get this done. It's getting late and I'm getting freaking hungry. So, alright, let's go. I hope y'all can see me. It is tight in here and it's kind of hard to set up camera positions. So I'm going to snug the sway bar up. So I got one, like I said, I got one of the brackets tacked up already, and hopefully this one's in the right spot. You know, I don't know if that should be that more that way or what. I think I should let the car down and before I tack it on. I don't know. I mean, that side don't look too bad. When it sits, it's gonna. So it might be good. Might be good to go. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, it's up. That looks pretty good there. I might have to look this up and see how exactly it's supposed to go. Because I do not know. Yeah, I think I'm good. This one looks good. Yeah, let's see what you guys think. Spin off here. I'll look you back and see one, that'll be up a little bit, so it'll be all right. I mean, I think it looks pretty good there. So I'll go ahead and get it tacked on, and here we go. That'll be one step closer. Shit, it's the cops. I gotta go. All right, so what I'm gonna do is tack right here. I'm gonna loosen up the mounts a little bit. I need to bend that so that's all flush there. And then put a couple extra tacks in it to hold it in, and then set it on the ground, and it should be ready to go. We'll see. I freaking hope so. Try to climb in here. There we go. Come on. I ought to hold that for a minute. Now what do I do with my force all the way over there? Oh. Smack my fender. Built-in hammer. Go ahead and get the rest of that tacked up. I think if it's nice enough tomorrow, I'll put my brother's wheels on here, roll this out, you know, kind of let the suspension and the sway bar adjust a little bit, and then see, I'll put some extra tacks on them brackets, make sure that, you know, they're good to go. And let me get this out of the way. Oh, look at that, that's looking pretty good. I'm happy, very happy. I don't know if I ever showed you my little welder. Yeah, ignore that one right there. That's back when side-by-side vlog was good, but not anymore. R3 all the way. And of course, you know, sport motion and Cletus, and always use the best filters. Steve Morse engines, but I love this little welder. It's done anything I can do. So, alright, this is just going to be a short video. I had to get something out, you know, and the next one will be hopefully getting that out, doing a roll cage coming up, and then get this, start turning into this bad girl right here. Get that. Ignore that filter, it was on there when I got it. 351 Windsor. Deciding if I just want to gap the pistons for boost and, you know, just fucking send it like it is, or if I want to go ahead and maybe make a 408 out of it. Alright, well, that's going to conclude this one. I'm going to go edit it, start enjoying the rest of this Sunday evening, and go get a shower and relax because it's freaking hot. Oh yeah, you get the dash in. Look at that. All the way, I mean, all the way in. And, this is a piece out of my old truck that I wrecked. I love that truck, so I'm thinking about trying to find some way to incorporate it into this car. It's the one I lost my arm in. That truck is, and I'll maybe use that for my switch panel somehow. I know that Larry is a lariat, so I know it's got that wood grain on it, really match, but you know, just something to remember my old truck with, you know. And it's like I ain't gonna put anything else in there, but well, let me know what y'all think about that. Alright guys, appreciate you. Thanks for watching and subscribing. I know ain't too much, but it's honest work. See you in the next one.